Hello?
Hello, I'm looking for George.
Yeah, George speaking.
Hi, George. This is Crystal calling from the Student Loan Assistance Center on regards to your interest for the forgiveness program. Is
Oh,
that something that you're still needing assistance with?
the forgiveness program? This is the
Yes.
loans or is the credit cards stuff?
I'm sorry?
Is this for like credit card stuff or student loans?
Student loans.
Oh, okay.
Was that something that you were needing help with?
Sure. So how's this work?
Okay. So the programs go based off of your income, your family size, and where you live to help you get into something that is more affordable. So depending on what you qualify for, your payments could be as low as $0 and then have forgiveness at the end of the term length.
Oh, wow.
Do you know how much you currently owe on your federal loans?
Well, I don't know, 20, 30,000 maybe?
And are you making payments on them right now?
Trying to.
How
Yeah.
much are your monthly payments?
Oh, it's about $400. It's a lot. The interest rates are high. You know,
Right.
because
Okay.
they said take out these loans, and then they said they're gonna don't worry about it. The government will just give it back to you. And I said, hey, why not? So I took them out. I didn't realize I was gonna have to pay it back. But
Yes.
now that what you're offering is I don't have to pay it back, so that's good.
Right. I would have to ask a few more questions just to see exactly what you qualify for. So keep in mind this call may be recorded for quality assurance purposes.
Yeah, sure.
George, whenever you file your taxes, do you file them single, married, or head of household?
I'm single.
Do you have any dependents that you claim on your tax forms?
Any payments? Like
No, any
alimony. I got alimony.
claim on your tax forms.
Huh?
Do you have any children that receive support from you?
Well, that's what I just said. Alimony payments. Yes.
Okay, how many children do you have?
I got 3 different ones. Every time I switch colleges, I seems to get something happens.
I'm sorry, what?
3 kids. 3. Only 3 of them.
Okay, and you live in what state?
Oregon. That's the most liberal. I figure I moved over there, because they'll be more likely to forgive my loans.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what is your adjusted gross income a year?
Phew, let me think. There's work, just like working for cash, does that count or no? I put it on my taxes anyway.
Okay, well, how much do you make a year? What was it that you made this last year?
If you have everything up, probably about 25,000. The college thing's not paying off too good.
Okay.
And then I work at Starbucks, so I get tips also.
Yeah, I can't hear you very well, George.
Oh, I get tips at Starbucks. Yeah. So
okay, so the program that you qualified for, George, is called the income-based program. It's $0 a month for 25 years, and at the end of the 25 years, your interest and principal is forgiven. You do have to recertify your income every year to remain on the program through the Department of Education. Now, on top of all of the programs, we offer our credit restoration program, so while your loans are being consolidated, they're going to be going over anything inaccurate on your credit report. To get them into the repayment option, you're looking at payments of $233.16 for the first 6 months, and after that, your payments drop to the $0 repayment option.
Okay. So you said I have to requalify after 25 years?
You have to recertify every year.
Oh, every year.
Mhm.
I don't have to take any college loans for the certification tests, do I? Like,
no, sir. This is to help you get into a forgiveness program towards your federal loan.
Okay, sounds okay. As long as I don't have to pay anything back, that's cool.
For the first 6 months, your payments are going to be $233.16.
And then
Is
zero?
that something that you're able to afford?
Yeah. I make just enough in tips just to do that. So after 6 months, I don't have to pay anything.
Your payments drop to the $0 repayment option.
Zero?
And then yes, and then you have to recertify every year. So every year you have to send in your most recent check stubs.
What kind of questions they ask you?
No, you just send your 2 most recent check stubs.
Oh, okay. That's easy. I can do that.
Okay. I'm going to gather some more information from you. The Department of Education does require 2 references to put on file, your physical mailing address, and then we'll need to put your payment method. If you're going to be using a Visa, MasterCard, or some type of prepaid card, we need to put that on file.
Okay. Yeah. I'll do a physical. I had a physical done recently, so I can file that. I'm in good shape. That's not a problem. So.
Okay.
Okay.
George, do you have an active email?
Active. Yeah. Yes. You can say. Well, I'm just trying to think which one to use. I have several. With all the stuff.
What is your last name?
Smith. George Smith. Easy.
And what is your physical mailing address?
Physical mailing address? I rather not be contacted like that.
Okay.
I rather.
Well, like I said, we need to put all that on file. So if we can't put it on file, then I wouldn't be able to help you.
I want to do it electronically. With the year 2000 with technology on board. So you've been thinking about getting a technology degree, yeah, like a computer science type of guy.